Hey guys, I got myself a Toshiba microwave. This is one of the newer ones with the inverter technology, and it's pretty awesome. One of the best things I like about it is that it has sensors everywhere, so it makes cooking extremely easy. Another thing is that it doesn't have a push button. It has a bar handle so you can open and close the door. I never like the push buttons because they sometimes break. And all I usually do now is just put two things to reheat, hit the reheat button, and it automatically does it. There's no need to put time or anything. It just has sensors to sense moisture and everything. I use that inverter cooking method to make sure that it's actually warm and thoroughly cooked through, which is pretty awesome. You also do pizzas, frozen veggies, and all that stuff, and it is pretty easy. You just push the button and it finds it and does it for you. Another thing is that the popcorn as well. It does pretty good popcorn cooking. I found out that you just put the popcorn, select the size of the popcorn, and it does everything for you. It cooks almost every kernel. There was only barely like about 5 or 6 kernels that didn't pop on this microwave popcorn, which I thought was very good, and it wasn't burnt. So that inverter technology is pretty cool. I also put inadami beans in there and steam the whole thing in a bag, and it does it automatically too. This is very convenient. Frozen meats is awesome. These frozen drumsticks and frozen wings, just hit auto defrost. It does it for you. And now I could actually air fry this in the air fryer. Before it was, basically rock hard ice. So I like the fact that it has all these sensors and it's so, easy to use. You just pop things in there, hit the automatic buttons, and you're done. Anyways, guys, it's Sir W. I hope you like this review, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.